This is my second testimonial. The first one, I really talked about the experience right there in the workshop and how wonderful it was that people suddenly looked at me with a lot more openness and friendliness. I'd like to talk about the differences in my life. It's been a few years, a couple of years. I'm doing more of what I want. I'm happier in my body. I'm having intuitive experiences, not all the time, not utterly reliably, but I'm only part way. So this is working very well for me. I'm finding that I'm not scared to try to do new things. I'm finding that I do new things pretty well. I completed a 9-month massage course. Since the YBNL, I've taken up singing, which is a lifelong dream. And just these last couple of weeks, I've joined a chorus. And I'm in there making harmony with people. And that was always hung up on that. I'm not good enough, it's gonna hurt, people are gonna look at me funny, it's not gonna work, and the voice went off. That is gone. That's simply not there. And yes, I've done the work. Brian has showed how the work is gonna get done. I've worked steadily. I'm extremely pleased with my progress, and I'm going on with it.